Activity planning is an essential part of software project management. It involves breaking down a project into smaller tasks and assigning resources to each task. The three main activities in software project management are planning, monitoring, and controlling. Activity planning is the first and most crucial step in project planning. The purpose of activity planning is to ensure that projects are completed on time and within budget. It helps to identify potential bottlenecks and delays in a project. The first activity in software project planning is to define the project scope and objectives. This involves understanding the project's goals, deliverables, and timelines. The main activity of project management is communication. Project managers spend 90% of their time communicating with stakeholders. Examples of project activities include defining project requirements, creating a project plan, and assigning tasks to team members. Remember to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable ones. Activity planning is essential for successful software project management. Remember to prioritize tasks, break down large tasks, communicate effectively, and monitor progress regularly.